Hey guys, it's Amber, and I'm getting ready to work on a Project Life spread for August. So I'm just a little bit behind, but I'm not really worried because I know I will catch up quickly. So I've got quite a bit of a variety of projects here. Let me see. Not projects, a variety of photos is what I was trying to say. So I've got, let's see, we've got a rainbow going over the house, kids with dinner. I had a work party, so we were dressed up. I took one of the girls to get her haircut, so I kind of have like a at the hairdresser before and after of the two of us. So I thought those would be fun. I got some kitten photos. Always fun of the kitten in a box, laying on me, laying on the couch with his little paws crossed. Always gets me every time. Got a beautiful hibiscus there. I went to see Taylor Jenkins read in person at like a book signing. That was like one of the best photos I could get. She was making a lot of funny faces while talking. And it's my birthday month, so I've got some photos going out to dinner. Nice sunset, a little cupcake. So I'm gonna be working with the Stories by the Month kit. That's everything. So it's a really bright and fun kit, and what I love about it is that it actually has a card for rainbows. When it rains, look for rainbows. When it's dark, look for stars. So it'll be perfect, even though it's not a bright, fun photo. It was really like cloudy and overcast. It'll still be cool. Like, how perfect is that? Got my August card here for the good vibes. Thought that would be fun with the birthday kind of theme stuff. The story 1, 2, 3, and then this 6-block card I thought would be good for just trying to tell the little mini stories that I have going on. Got some stickers, chipboard, some hearts, but they're just plain. Got the stamp set. And then we have these 4 cards, which come every month, and then these cards, which I really love, but I'm not sure that they're necessarily going to fit, or if I want to save them for another spread, because we've got adventuring, which it wasn't really adventuring. Eating, yes. Playing, not necessarily, and enjoying, yes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be using those or holding them, so we will see, but I'm excited to get started and get working on this project. So I'll definitely be using all of these, and we'll see where we end up. So the first thing that I started with here was just the photos of us at the hairdresser. I'm going to put them in a 6-pocket 3x4 page protector. It's actually a 9x12 that I cut down. And then I'm going to start with the back of my July, which is a Becky Higgins. It's got one 4x6 and all 3x4s. And I'm going to end up changing a few things around a few times here. I originally thought that I would put the photos from the book signing with that August card on the back of that 6-pocket page protector, but I'm going to end up moving them onto the far left one that I'm currently working on now. And in the meantime, I'm just grabbing a design A. So, but the point that I'm trying to make is I'm going to move things around a little bit, and I'm going to cut some of that out so you don't have to see all of the rearranging. But as of right now, I'm just trying to get pockets filled with all of the 4x6s that I have, and then I'll focus on the 3x4s. And then as I'm rearranging, I realize that I'm short a few photos, so I'm actually going to go back into my printer and print a couple more and get those added as well. So I decided to go ahead and cut down that photo of the sky from the sunset on my birthday down to a 3x4 because I needed more room for 4x6 filler cards and photos. And I'm going to end up removing that 6-block card. I usually like using those because they're a great place to tell stories, but I didn't really end up needing it. I'll just save it for another project. And so then I decided to maybe put the book signing photos there, and then they're going to end up moving all the way to the left. So I didn't completely cut out everything, but I did do a lot of rearranging off camera besides what you see here. So just trying to figure out where to fit everything in and what makes sense based on where I'm going to put the journaling, what cards go where, things like that. So I put that This Happened August stuff card with the photos from the hairdresser. I have the August Gratitudes. I know it's hard to see because of the glare on the page protector. That's on the left side with the Moments card. And then, so at this point, this is kind of where I was at, where I was not necessarily stuck, but decided, okay, I need to rearrange a few things. And so I moved that photo of us to the front. And then wanted to start looking through the chipboard. So I used several pieces. I used both hexagons. The Love, Love, Love went on the picture of Caitlin. The August Magic went on the picture of the rainbow. I ended up using the asterisks and 2 of the half circles. The love's going to go on the photo of the 2 of us. It's one of my favorites of us recently. And then the blue, This Story, I'm going to end up putting on the photo of us from my birthday. But that will be off camera. You'll see me place it. So I dug through my stash and I looked for some purple cards that would go with that. When It Rains, Look for a Rainbows card. And I found 2 that I thought would work. The blue one that you saw, the purple one that you saw me stamping on with the date stamp, that is from Ellie's Studio. And then the purple and white stripe is a Kelly Perky card, I believe. And so I'm using the purple journaling card to tell a story about the fact that we got dressed up and went to my work party. So I put the date, location, and just a brief description on that card. And then the August card there, the stamp didn't quite stamp completely, so I just used my pen to fill out the bottom of the August there. And then I just journaled about being at the book signing. So really simple journaling. And I used a couple of the pink stickers. I put one on the August there that said August, so captured, like August captured. And then one that just said work on the purple card. And another one on the photo of the girls. I think that just said like August Moments or something like that. That'll be on the back. Just a way to try to get a little bit more pink and use up some of the product. A lot of the sentiments didn't really work well for what I needed in the projects. That's why I limited it to those 3. And then on the layout there, you'll see I'm journaling on that Enjoying card. That I pulled from my stash. I'm not sure what kit that's from. It's not this kit, even though it's a similar looking card. But it worked well with the yellow to help match that story 1, 2, 3. And I wrote in my first story, and I actually skipped a little bit ahead because I couldn't think about what I wanted to put yet. I needed to kind of go through my phone and see what else we did in August and write some notes. Then I decided to use the asterisks there. And I'm actually putting those on the outside of the page protector with some red line tape. And it was just nice to get those used up and add a little bit of more color to that card to help pull in the blues and purples from the Good Vibes card that's on there. And I'm just using some red line tape to add that half circle chipboard to the outside of the page protector there as well. And the same with the love hexagon of the photos of us at the hairdresser. That one ended up being really simple, but I really like how it came out, and I'll use the back of that for September. It'll just kind of be fun to have a mix of a page protector size in there. And then I finished up by doing what I always do, by adding some puffy stickers in coordinating colors onto the August circles card. So nice and simple. Really wanted to get another project done for the album, and I will be coming out with a September one soon. I will be going on a vacation, but I wanted to get this out and ready for you guys to watch. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and hope you have fun playing with this kit, because I certainly did. The colors were really bright and fun. Bye for now.